Socks.
What's up, guys? Today we're making
holiday cocktails.
Let's get started.
Let's do it.
First, we're going to boil some water
And some herbal tea.
Let's turn it on. In the meantime, we're going to add some whiskey to our cups. Pecan pie.
Next, we are going to get the agave nectar.
Eventually.
Oh,
We're going to add the tea into our cups.
Oh, let's see. Lastly, we will add 4 lemon wedges into the hot toddy.
Now 3 more.
Now 3 more. And now we stir. Ooh, hot toddy.
Cheers.
That's good.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
The sound we made. That was perfect.
One more time, one more time. So I turn around. I'm scared of apples.
A granny apple.
Oh, okay.
Next, we will add some cranberries to the mix.
Now we'll add Pinot Grigio.
The best part. Pour it up, pour it up. It's so good.
Now we're going to add organic sparkling cider.
Oh yeah, now we're talking,
Yes.
baby.
Now we will mix.
Okay.
Oh,
She's trying to make me drunk.
why was that so uneven? Oh gosh. Great. Cheers.
Cheers. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
You're definitely gonna want to make these at home, for sure. Put it on your holiday to-do list.
Why am I just eating the fruit? And some cocktails? Some cocktails? Mwah. Now we're going to be making Moscow mules.
Oh girl, look at these glasses.
First, we're going to start with our vodka. Oh God. Okay. Now we add cranberry juice.
Now we'll be adding agave syrup.
Ready? And now we add ice cubes. That's good, right? Last, we add ginger beer. Now we stir. Cheers.
The best Moscow mule
That's
I've
good.
ever had.
Oh dang, wait, oh dang. Now we're going to make cranberry and pomegranate margaritas. We're going to use a mixer this time, so let's pop it open. We're going to add some tequila first. We will add some triple sec.
I call that a hole-in-one. And then we will add some cranberry juice.
Nice. And some agave syrup.
And some ice. And we're done. I just make it in there.
And now we pour.
Oh la la!
Cheers. Our last drink of the night. We're going to make some shots.
Did you say shot?
I did say shots.
I'm finna die.
First we'll need some Fireball.
Did you remember back in high school when this is what we used to drink? Maybe it's that!
We will add some Fireball to this mix. Mmm, so good. Next we'll add some rum chata. Now we'll add some ice.
Like done.
Oh, the pen.
Hey, we are over here.
Now we're going to shake it.
Hey. Ah, yup. Hey. Ah, yup.
And now we pour.
Cheers to your new holiday cocktails. You're welcome. Shake it like a salt shaker. Like a salt shaker. Cheers to your new holiday mixtails.
Cocktails.